All right, so let's start playing the bells. So you're going to want to set up yourself so that you can see the chart that tells you what the notes are, and then you can have your band packet on the other side. So what you're looking for here is, this is our treble clef, just like we used in music class for recorders. So you can see that this note is on the line. So I'm gonna go every good boy, so I know it's a B. And I also know it's a B flat because of the little flat sign right here on that line. So this is a B flat. And hopefully you remember from music class that the whole note gets 4 beats. And then the whole rest gets 4 beats, and then you've got this repeat sign here at the end, 2 dots, 2 lines. That means to play the song again. So then we get down through 4, and these are all B flats, except they're different note values. So like this one, the half note gets 2 beats, and then 2 beats of rest for the half rest. Then down here we get 1 beat for the quarter notes, but still all B flats. And down here for number 4, all B flats, and we've got a quarter rest here. So I'm gonna play 5 quarter notes before I get to the quarter rest. Okay, now how do I play the B flat? Well, if I look over here on my chart, you can see that there are groupings of 2, 3, 2, and 3. And what you're looking for, you're looking for the B flat, and you can actually circle this, and you can see it goes up here with this line, and it shows you the B flat, which looks exactly like our B flat here. So this is the B flat that we're looking for. So if you look down on your bells, you are going to be looking for that same pattern. So you've got 3, 2, 3, 2, and then mine has 3 on this bell set, but here they just stopped at 2. So I'm looking for, I've got 3, 2, 3, and I'm looking for that B flat, so that's right here. So 1, 2, 3, the one on the right side is my B flat. And that's how you want to look on your bells as well. So then, I am going to play number 1 here. So I go on the B flat and I play right in the center, and I play number 1. And you can listen to number 1 and then practice it on your own, and then listen to number 2, pause the video, and practice on your own. That's how I recommend going through the music. So here is number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and rest. 2, 3, 4. Now, you don't really have to stop the sound with your hand, but if you feel so inclined, you can. Eventually, when you're playing all different kinds of notes, you're not going to have time to do that. The bells are just going to ring through, and that's fine. So here we go. Here's number 2. So I've got half notes. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, rest, 2. 1, 2, rest, 2. 1, 2, rest, 2. All right, then I go to number 3. You can still use 1 mallet if you would like, or you can use 2 mallets. You can put the right on the top, left on the bottom, and go back and forth. So this is number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. All right, then we go down to number 5. So I'm going to play 5 quarter notes, or not number 5, sorry, number 4. There we go, number 4, and I'm going to play number 4 and have 5 quarter notes before I play that quarter rest. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest, 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 rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so practice 1 through 4 until you get really good at the B flats, and then move on to number 5, where we have C's. So now 5 through 8 is focusing on C. C is in the space, so I spell face, F-A-C. And then how do I play C on the bells? Well, I look over here and I see, okay, there's the C, and you can see that it looks exactly the same as my C over here. And I'm just gonna circle this so I know where it is. So if I'm looking on the on the bells, I know where my B flat is, right? Because I've got the grouping of 3 up here. So then if I go down, I want to try to find where C is. And you can see, so we've got B flat, and you move down 1, this would be B, and over here is C. And I also like to think of, okay, this is C. I know this is C because there are 2 keys up here by themselves, right? Oh, let me show you in the music. Right here. So there are like 2 here. So I've got the grouping of 3, grouping of 2. So I know my B flat here, the right side of the 3, bars on top, and then C, if I look for the 2, I just go down 1 to the left, and that's C. Or you can think B flat, B, C, whatever helps you to remember. All right, so if you're looking at number 5, we have half notes, and then we've got the dotted half note, which hopefully you remember gets 3 beats. And then you move down here to number 6, and number 6 has our 8th notes in it. So again, all C's, but we've got 8th notes, and 2 8th notes together equal 1 beat. So they're gonna be faster than the quarter notes. And you can just think your do's and your do days here. That would be fine. So think do, 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 day, do, 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 day, do, do, day, do, day, do, do, do. And then we go down to number 7, and we get to go back and forth between C and B flat, and hopefully you can see the difference now with them next to each other. C is in that 3rd space, 1 2 3, and then B flat is on the 3rd line, 1 2 3. So you can see C is in the space, B is on the line. Then you get down to number 8, and you're going back and forth between C's and B flats. And the way that I keep track so that I don't get lost, I think counting to 4, since there are 4 beats in the measure. So I think 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, rest. So I can keep track. All right, so let's play number 5. It's gonna move down here. And you only need 1 mallet for this. You find where C is, and you're gonna play right in the center of the key. So here's number 5. So I've got 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, rest, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, rest. All right, so for number 6, I'm going to put 2 mallets on there again so I can play those 8th notes. So here we go, number 6. All right, now I'm going to go to number 7. So I'm going to put 1 mallet on C and 1 on B flat. I suggest that you do your left hand on B flat, your right hand on C. If you did it backwards, you're kind of crossing, and that's not necessary. So left hand plays B flat, right hand plays C. So here is number 7. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, repeat. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. All right, so now we're going to go on to number 8, and this is the one where I suggest you count to 4 for each measure so you don't get lost. All right, here we go. Number 8. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3, rest. All right, so for this week, what I would like you to do is practice all of these, of course, but then you're going to record number 4 and number 8 for me. Number 4 and number 8. And if you have to do it several times, that's totally okay because we're practicing. So if you do a video and you don't like the way that it sounds or you didn't play it quite right, that's all right. Just delete it and do another one and keep going until you get one that you want to send to me. So number 4 and number 8. All right, happy practicing.